Now we'll practice German numbers from 30 to 100, counting by tens. Repeat each number during the pause.
30, 40,
Short I. Again.
40, 50, 60,
Again.
60, 70,
Just,
sieb,
as in,
17,
not,
7,
again.
70, 80, 90, 100,
Again.
100.
Notice that the numbers 40 to 90 end in zig, pronounced as in,
20,
only the number 30 ends in ssig, not zig. Repeat.
30,
Now repeat all the numbers again.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Exercise 24. Look at the numbers and say them aloud in German. Begin when you hear the beep.
50, 30, 70, 20, 80, 40, 90, 60, 100.
In the next exercise, we'll count from 21 on. Exercise 25. Look at the numbers while listening. Repeat each number during the pause.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 40, 41, 42, 43.
You've noticed the basic difference between German and English numbers, haven't you? In a two-digit number, the order in which the numbers are read is reversed in German. 34
34
is 4 and 30. Between the two digits, you say
und
the German word for and. Listen again and repeat.
21,
Right. The S after
1,
is dropped. Again.
21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 7,
not,
sieb,
again,
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Exercise 26. Listen to and repeat some numbers at random.
25, 34, 56, 65, 72, 78, 89, 98, 37, 62, 28, 100, 86, 68, 92, 13, 30, 70, 17.
Repeat this exercise until you can say the numbers without hesitation. Exercise 27. Listen to the tape and write down in numerals the numbers you hear. After you finish, check what you've written with the tape.
Siebenundzwanzig, 36, 54, 45, 63, 76, 89, 92, 31, 78, 80, 18,
27, 36, 54, 45, 63, 76, 89, 92, 31, 78, 80, 18. Exercise 28. Now look at the numbers and say them aloud in German. Speak when you hear the beep.
21, 59, 95, 46, 64, 34, 43, 79, 82, 97, 14, 40.
Exercise 29. You will now practice counting from 100 to 1,000 by hundreds. Listen and repeat.
100,
You don't have to say
100,
just
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000.
Exercise 30. Look at the numbers in your book and say them aloud in German. Speak when you hear the beep.
500, 200, 700, 100, 900, 300, 600, 400, 800, 1000.
Exercise 31. To say any number between 0 and 1,000, you just have to combine the numbers you have already learned. Listen and repeat.
101, 102, 107, 211, 312, 420, 532, 643, 756, 867, 978.
Do this exercise until you can say the numbers easily. Exercise 32. Now you'll hear some 3-digit numbers. Write each number on a piece of paper. After you finish, check what you wrote with the tape.
234, 417, 678, 922, 341, 563, 857.
234, 417, 678, 922, 341, 563, 857. Exercise 33. Look at the numbers and say them aloud in German. Speak when you hear the beep.
Dreihundertachtundsiebzig, 159, 951, 732, 666, 243, 849, 475.
Exercise 34. Actually, you can now count beyond 1,000. You would just say
2000, 3000,
etc. But you will rarely use that. You may hear or want to say German words for years. So let's practice these. As in English, for 1900, we don't say 1900, but 1900. In German,
1900,
and repeat.
1900.
However, for the year 1910, Germans would say 1910.
1910.
Listen and repeat.
1970. 1930. 1960. 1940. 1950. 1920.